That's why today we are launching 4 agents: SpotterModel for data modeling, SpotterViz for visualizations, SpotterCode for automated coding, and for your business users, Spotter, their personal data AI analyst. It's like you plus agents now become a super team. And that's incredible. And this is not theory. This is no longer left. We have been working very hard to bring you all of this today. What you're going to see is a live demonstration of what does the new analytics workflow look like with agents helping you every step of the way. And we're going to do it step by step because we have to show you the unified analytics workflow, not silos. What we are going to show you a team of agents working together to help you accelerate. And we're going to start with SpotterModel. Now, it's very simple. Like, imagine with me, you're a data engineer. Let's say you work for Airbnb, and you want to create some data for data listings. We all know data readiness is a big barrier. We all know that. What if you could tell your agent, what if you could tell SpotterModel, hey, I want to analyze listing performance by neighborhoods, and I want to understand what's driving customers. SpotterModel is going to go find your data, instantly organize the data, help you understand what type of joins to use, help you understand what columns to select. You get the drill. You're going to see this live today. That's SpotterModel. And now once you have the data, now obviously you want to go visualize it, you want to give it to your business users, you want to probably put it on a dashboard, or you want to analyze it. Now instead of clicking or instead of coding, what if you could just have a conversation? And you could tell SpotterViz, build me a dashboard that gives performance analysis of my listings in Paris, let's say. And SpotterViz gets to work. SpotterViz goes on and does all of this work for you. And then you could also say, hey, make it my colors and all that kind of stuff. That's SpotterViz. We're going to show that to you today. And then what about your applications? Now, we all know analytics is not just dashboards and insights and workflows. The future is data applications. You want insights. You want these live analytics in your applications, in your customer-facing applications, in your partner-facing applications. And that's the world of embedded analytics. And today you have to hand code it. But what if you had a cursor for BI? That's it. Just tell it, and it will go create all of this work for you. That's the beauty of agents. They're augmenting you to help you go 10x faster.